American buttercream is one of the easiest and most common frostings to make, but its biggest problem for most people is that it has a gritty texture and overly sweet. In this recipe, I will share with you some tips to make a grit-free, less sweet American buttercream. Not only it is easy to make, the texture also as smooth as Swiss or Italian meringue buttercream. This buttercream is great for layering, decorating and piping flowers. It has good stability, especially during summer and in hot or humid conditions. Now, let me show you how to make this versatile buttercream. We will start with the hot milk mixture. In a saucepan, mix milk and vanilla extract. Cook over medium heat. As soon as you see bubbles forming around the edges of the pan, take it out from the heat. Then immediately pour in the icing sugar to this hot milk mixture. Stir well until all the sugar dissolve. By using this method, you can ensure the icing sugar is completely dissolved, so you won't feel a gritty or grainy texture in your buttercream. Stir in the mixture to remove any lumps and let it cool to room temperature. For the fat, we will combine the shortening and butter. Shortening has a higher melting point, so it can help butter maintain its structure in warm conditions. Use high ratio shortening such as Sweet Express instead of regular shortening like Crisco. Unlike regular shortening, which is less sturdy and tastes greasy, high ratio shortening has a better mouthfeel, smoother and hold better shape. Once the milk mixture has cooled down, we can start mixing the shortening and butter. Make sure the butter is at room temperature and softened to the same consistency as shortening. So on medium speed, beat for about 5 minutes until it's light and fluffy. Then slowly pour the cold milk mixture. Scrub down the sides of the bowl occasionally to make sure everything is evenly mixed. And continue beating on medium-high speed for another 10 minutes. The color will gradually become whiter and the texture is light. After 10 minutes, switch to the pedal attachment and beat again on medium-low speed for another 3 to 5 minutes. If you are using hand mixer, you can use the lowest speed. This process will help remove air bubbles that form during the beating process, so you will get a silky smooth texture. This buttercream has all the characteristics we are looking for. It's easy, stable, white in color, smooth, pipeable, and most importantly, not overly sweet. It's also a versatile frosting that pairs well with a variety of flavor combinations that can add character to your cake. There are a lot of options to choose from: strawberry, chocolate, mocha, coffee, lemon, or even matcha. Kindly find the flavor combination recipes in the description box. One batch recipe will yield about 5 cups of buttercream. It will be enough to cover the top and the sides and to fill 3 layers of a 7-inch round cake depending on the design. This can be your guide to determine how much buttercream you need to prepare. Swirls, piping roses, or zigzags? Now everything is possible. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye everyone!